The news in detail. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita and the Bharatiya Sakshya Bill 2023 were today introduced in the Lok Sabha. While introducing the bills, Home Minister Amit Shah said Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 will replace the Indian Penal Code 1860 and the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha 2023 will replace the Criminal Procedure Act 1898. He said Bharatiya Sakshya Bill 2023 will replace the Indian Evidence Act 1872. The minister said these bills will transform the country's criminal justice system. The legislation is aimed to provide justice to the people rather than penalizing them. Talking about the provisions of the bills, he said provisions related to sedition will be repealed completely. Meghalaya Chief Minister